Alright, what's up YouTube? Got me one of my birthday packages in. And what's inside here is some hood struts for my 2013 Mustang. This will fit several different year models. Manufactured by Redline Tuning. Alright, and in the packaging here, actually comes with a nice little inner sleeve, and I just dropped all my hardware. Alright, so on the hood portion, you're going to have this part right here. This is the hood ball stud system. Going to thread it in, have it about halfway in, and what we're going to do is feed it in this hole on the hood. See how you got the flat sides, but we're going to feed it like so. Hold out on it, a little tension, and get her finger tight. Before we tighten it all the way, you want to slide it up to the outer edge of your hood. Okay. Now this guy has to be torqued down to 15 foot-pounds using the 1/2-inch socket. And next up, the lower bracket. What we're going to do is use the 10mm, take this fender bolt off, and use it. It's going to be our mounting point for this lower bracket. Alright, so basically we're going to relocate the sound tube underneath the fender. Just moving it a little bit, that'll give us the clearance we need. 10mm again. Okay, so I got my sound tube relocated, and basically I'm going to show you before. Pull the bolt out, relocate it, pull the little clip off of the fender, inner fender well, relocate this underneath, put the bolt through, and snug her down. It's probably my least favorite part of this kit. I've seen some other kits where they want you to actually cut this part of this bracket to make it set up flusher, but I mean it's on there solid. Okay, and the larger piston side is going to go up top here. Snap this into place, and we have to turn this bottom piece, get it to line up, and snap it on the bottom. And you may have to lift up on your hood a little bit to do this, get it to line up. That one's in. Open it up right there, and it just takes on over for you. Boom.
Anyway, we will now head into the jungle and see what we can find.